ngicela ukukunikeza ihint, ngicela ukukunikeza i-observation pointer, ngicela ukukunika i-clue yokuthi you are not heading towards the right direction. Yabona uma unempilo full of excitement time to time, believe you me, you are not heading towards the right direction. The boring life produces results. The life where you have to repeat one and the same thing over and over again to the point of being in an autopilot, automatic, it's nothing exciting. I've been doing this and I go on doing it. An exciting life comes from a very boring life. Keep on doing one and the same thing over and over again. Once your life starts to be more exciting time to time, you are excited, full of excitement. What are you excited about time to time? You don't have a boring life. It means there is nothing that you are consistent with. You're overstimulated ngalesi sikhathi. Ubengile lo changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani. Ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho sisuka khona futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Kunenkinga yokuba overstimulated. Sengazi ukuthi time to time ungalokhu sika i-pleasure, into ezoku excite, into ezokunika lo vavum to the point ukuthi khona abantu abangakwazi ukuhlala nabo, behlale nje nabo. It's like they need someone or they need to go somewhere, yabo, ukuze impilo yabo ibe stimulated. They don't want to stick with the process. Bafuna magagasi njalo nje. Bafuna magagasi. Yabona impilo yakho yakhiwa izinto eziningi ezihlukene. Ekumele ukuthi ube ne-system yazo, uziphinda phinde njalo. At some point you are going to reap ama-fruits alokho. Impilo nje yakho mele kube ama-systems. Yabo lama business, lama departments, lezi ndawo ensebenza kuzona zine system ezenza ngayo izinto njalo. That is why zimile, ziqhubeka zimile kanje. They are very sustainable, ziyakondla ngoba kune system. Uyareporta wena, reporta kulo, reporta kulo. Kunendlela ekwenziwa ngayo, kunama business ethos. There are business ethos and business ethics, how we conduct ourselves, how we do things, the internal controls, the systems. In the accounting there are systems. Everywhere there are systems. There is a lot. With management, well, systems are everywhere. Repeating one and the same thing, it produces, that one produces, you achieve the goal. You achieve your objective. You immerse yourself and be eager to be better and better within the system. Master the system. Repeating one and the same thing over and over again. Yabo mfethu mawusethi foundation yini uzoyisetha uthi ayime kanje bese unyuka nama blocks online ngisho ngazi bebe u10 uzonyuka ngaleyo ndlela leyo esethe phansi. So can you just lay a foundation emingenye indlela and then along the way uhamba ushaya amanye ama zigzag angafani nale foundation ephansi? No ways. You are going to repeat one and the same thing. That is that is in conformity with the foundation all the way to the top. Awafika uqala nje foundation kanje usushaya ulana wesithathu usumisa ama-blocks kanje usushaya awusalandeli i-foundation. No, ngeke uzwenze kanjalo. So how come kube ukuthi uzosetha isystem wena? Ngiyathanda ngoba abantu bayathanda nama-New Year's resolution zokwenza 1 no 2 no 3. Uzosetha isystem wena. Mina ngizoba ngikwenza kanje, la ngizokwenza kanje, kwi-finance uzokwenza kanje, personal relationships uzokwenza kanje, to be a good and a present dad ngizokwenza kanje, to be a great mother ngizokwenza kanje, to be a great employee, this is what I'm going to do, to be a great party leader, this is what I'm going to do, these are the systems that I'm going to implement. Ukuze ngibe yikholwa eli-right, this is what I'm going to do. You have the old foundation. Ukuze ngibe umfundi o-right, this is what I'm going to do. Said it. These are the things, and then you have to repeat that. Njalo mangibuya, I do 1 2 3. This is njalo mangihola, I do 1 2 3. That. Then how come along the way? How come along the way you just shove that one aside, and then you want something exciting? You want to be stimulated. Baze bakhulume ngeendaba zabantu, imgosi wemgo, this and this, because they are overstimulated. They don't want a boring life. A boring life is the one that produces results. Believe me on that one. Aina msindo, aina khuluma, iphinda nje leyo nto leyo. Angithi foundation, this is what I'm going to do, and then I'm doing it. Ngokwesikhathi, time will tell. It's either isikhathi sobungani wakho noma sobe enemy yakho, based ekutheni wena wenzani. Yabo, there are people who keep on doing one and the same thing. Every time I get paid, this is what I do. When it comes to a portfolio building, or when it comes to whatever, khuluma ngemali ngoba yona nto vele bayithandayo. Yabo, this is what I do every time. Akazi nami context with the power of compounding, which every time you do this, every time you get paid, you do this. There's something magical when it comes to money too. The power of compounding. They don't know about that. It comes to the point where system yakho iyayikruzela yona. Ikruzela yona system. So cruise control. Bodybuilding, there are systems. It's boring. Every time I have to do this, a boring thing. System is boring, but it produces results. Every time I come back from work, this is what I'm going to do. Every time I'm going to. Now they want to be stimulated. What's new? What's coming? What's popping? Systems, boring life, repetition, habits. Uyazi ngaba yona i-habit ukufuna ukuba overstimulated ngaso sonke isikhathi. The Bluetooth is pairing for what? For stimulation. I'm searching for drama. Can I get some drama nyana? And it just, yes, we like to be stimulated and all of those things. Yabo, once in a while. Papa, once in a while. But there are people who want every time should be drama in their life. Stimulation, excitement, pleasure every time. When I say people celebrating, angazi ukuthi sebewine ini. Yini le sebewinile. Mina ngakaboni ukuthi abantu bawinile. Abantu abakawini. Ngoba kusekhona dimension abangafiki kuyona. But they are already celebrating. Those people who need to celebrate, they are not even celebrating. A very exciting life is coming from a very boring life. Yabo, when you start with an exciting life, we are forcing it. You come back to be bored by force.